folks, it's Charlotte from Thompson Leisure, and today I'm going to be showing you around our brand new Swift Kon-Tiki 874. Now this has been reduced in our autumn sale. There's been nearly 10 grand discounted off it, so don't walk to the showroom, run. Starting off at the front here, you have your black cab. Now you have a heated windscreen, full LED headlights, and then if you come on round to the side, you have your electric and heated wing mirrors also. Down below there you have your 16-inch two-tone Fiat alloys, and as you can see along the side you have lovely black and red decals. So making our way round to the side of the vehicle here, you have your Alco twin axle. You have your exterior shower point here, and then if you follow me on round to the back here, you have access from your garage at this side. I'll let you see in a wee minute. Reverse sensors and a twin reverse camera. Access to your garage again there. You have an exterior barbecue point and your full length Tula awning. So we're into the driver's side of the motorhome here. You have your leather multifunctional steering wheel. On your steering wheel you have your cruise control with your speed limiter, your Bluetooth functions. You have a 9-speed automatic gearbox on a Fiat. And then down here is your climate zone. You can actually charge your phone here, which is a really nice touch. And on your infotainment screen here, it's fully touch screen. You have your DAB radio, built-in sat-nav, connect your phone up there, you can get all the details about your vehicle here and access to your apps as well. So I'm into the first lounge area of the motorhome. There is actually 2 lounges, but in the front lounge here you have the option of a double bed down here. You essentially just drop the electric table down. This is a double bed. You have an electric drop down bed up here as well, so you can have bunk beds or just drop your electric drop down bed the whole way down. Above me here is our 2 control panels. As you can see, we have the Aldi wet heating system. Beside that you have a fully touchscreen control panel. You can toggle your fridge, you can monitor your water levels, your battery levels, and access your heating here. Also, your electric drop down bed functions is here as well. You have a 3-pin plug here and additional USB points. We're now on to our kitchen area. So you have a fully equipped kitchen here, Dometic microwave, 3-ring gas hob with your electric hot plate, and you have your full Thetford oven and grill. Plenty of storage down there as well. So beside me here you have your Dometic 3-way fridge and freezer, conveniently placed beside your second lounge area. So grab your beverage of choice, close your little shutter over, and you have your second lounge. So as you can see, that is closed over. Leave your kids up at the front, and down here you have your nice pull-out table there, so chill, have a glass of wine, watch TV, play a board game, whatever you like. Below that is access to your garage, which is really handy. You don't have to step outside to grab anything quickly. So in here is your washroom. You have your swivel toilet, storage compartments underneath the sink, nice full length mirror, and beside that you have your separate shower. So really spacious area to get ready in. Guys, that was just a quick run through of our Swift Kon-Tiki 874. Full details of this motorhome can be found on the website. If you have any further questions or inquiries, don't hesitate to get in touch with us. You can get us on 028 9269 3999, speak to one of our sales team, or alternatively you can drop us an email, charlotte@thompsonleisure.com. Thank you, bye.